Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosie Fermin and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do this look right here, and it's just like a nice silver cut crease. I hope it still looks nice. If y'all stay to the end, y'all know what's going on basically. But if you want to learn how to get this look, go ahead and continue watching. I did move already, so that's why my background looks a little bit different. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still trying to maybe add a few more details to the background. I don't know, I'm really liking the black, so it might stay like this. I don't know yet, it's just some black curtains. But yeah, that is about it. Let me stop rambling and let's get right into the video. Oh my god, my baby. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by putting just a warm transition color on the crease, and I am just going to go in with my Hoola bronzer. I need a refill on this, but this still works. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that and just put it on the crease just to give a warm crease. I am going to be working with really dark colors, so I just kind of want this to be the base to the transition. So just like that, just make sure it's nice and bronzy. I'm going to do that on the other eye. So now we're hold on 1 minute because my brush flew. I promise to y'all that something always happens to me and I'm not even kidding. Enough of that. So I'm going to be intensifying. I'm going to be intensifying the color real quick. So what I'm going to do is of course go in with the darker brown, since we already did a lighter like bronzy brown, bronzer basically. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a dark brown, and then we're gonna do a black. So I'm really only gonna be using 3 colors today, and I'm going to be cutting my crease with these new little Stilla babies that I got. My other one is somewhere in there, but I'm going to be using these right here. I'm so sorry y'all, I have like a different setting as y'all can see, and it's really hard to see if I am focused or not, but these right here. So I'm going to be working with these, so they're really easy to use. I did use a different color on my last video and it worked pretty good. So what I like to do first is of course grab the color, but I like to pat the color in just so like that the color can kind of blend kind of like on its own. I don't know how to explain that, but whenever you kind of just like pat the color in, I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more blended. And this brush has a lot to do with it. Like, I'm not giving up on it, I'm not, I promise. And what I'm going to be doing is just basically bringing the color in all the way in, and then kind of whenever like I pat the product in, then I like to go back in and blend it. So just like that, that's how intense I really want it. Since I am doing more like of a cut crease, I am going to go back in and kind of like really sharp the color up, or the crease up. So these, y'all, these are really easy to use. You really need like no glue, no nothing. It like does it for you. That is what I'm going to be using on my lid. So I'm just going to apply it on all my lid, kind of going like that. So this is what I hope y'all can see me good. I'm gonna scoot a little more to the front. So I'm just gonna let the lids dry just for a little bit because the product is still very wet. And it dries pretty quick, so. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with just a flat brush, just so like that I can really clean up the crease. So kind of like where the glitter went up, that's where I'm going to cut it. So it can look a little bit more clean. And I'm going to go in like with that like black color. So just like that, and then of course it's still not blended. I'm going to go back in and blend that just with the little, my fluffy brush that's giving up on me. And just gently blend it out. Hey guys, so my camera died and I guess I didn't know. Whenever I did push record, it said that you have any more memory. So I was like, okay, you know, maybe it just recorded my video, but it didn't record my video. So the ending was just basically me adding my lashes. Of course, adding the lipstick, which is a Stila liquid lipstick. Give me a second. It's the Stila liquid lipstick in Baki. So it's this one right here. And I did use this art liner from Lancome. Everyone always asks me what liquid liner that I do use, and it's this one by Lancome. It's just the regular art liner in black. And what else? And that's basically it. So I just cleaned up my crease and I did my wing liner. I added some lashes, added my lipstick, and I went out with my day. I'm glad that I checked because the video seemed a little too short and I was like, this is suspicious. And it was. So I'm glad I checked before I took all my makeup off. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you learned a few tips and tricks from this look. And if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this look down below. I like to read those and I like to talk to y'all, so just comment down below. And if you want to, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Rosie with the double E 721. You can also find me on Facebook at Rosie Fermin. I think that's it, y'all. I hope you really do enjoy. Thank you so much for watching.